Oh, Haley.
New hair, who dis? Greasy hair, who dis?
No makeup, who dis?
Yeah, I lied. You were putting makeup on this morning on FaceTime.
Dude, no.
You got shimmer.
Yeah, that's as far as it went with some mascara. I really just put my brows on.
Oh.
When I went to put foundation on, I was like,
the eyebrow
no.
pencil was broken. You're like, forget it. Forget about it.
I'm done. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's that on that. Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's unexpected filming video is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter.
Glam Bag Plus edition.
Yes. Forewarning you guys, I slept like poo. No big surprise.
Great.
Yeah, so she's peppy and perky. I am brain fog city. Okay. Anyways, guys.
I'm already opening things.
Like she said, this is the Ipsy versus Ipsy Mother versus Daughter Glam Bag Plus edition. This is our paid for bags. We've already talked about our PR that was sent. Is it over on your channel yet? No. It'll be over on her channel.
Filming it today, I swear.
So make sure to check out her channel. We're trying to get her monetized. She graduates from college.
Tomorrow.
And we're super excited. Yeah, by the time y'all see this video, she'll be graduated. So whoop, whoop. Try not to peek, because wow, that felt really nice. Don't peek, don't peek, don't peek.
Well,
okay.
It felt really nice.
The palette I just touched.
It's bougie.
It felt
amazing, immaculate.
Okay, anyways, if you guys were new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda. I sunless tanned last night.
She's also better known as hotmessmd.
Yay! Anywho, it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone, so stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I upload all the time, and I have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs, and I'm still nagging, trying to get that 10K over on Instagram. So
she wants the swipey uppy, you guys.
It's all about the swipey uppy, man. All about it. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, Hale, you can start. Wait, a little information. Do you want to do it?
So, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a personalized subscription bag where you get to pick 3 products every month out of the 5 that you receive, and they are usually full-size products. Occasionally, I feel like there are some deluxe-size samples, and you can also get add-ons, and I don't think I got any add-ons this month. I think I missed it.
Oh, dang it, I peeked again.
And it's, what did I say, $25 before tax, and
it's profile based.
Yes.
You want to go over real quick what's on your profile?
Fair skin.
Oh wait.
Blue
sorry
eyes.
If you smell onions on me. I had some bloomin' onion.
I didn't smell onions.
Okay, well I taste it, so I just wanted to let you know it's me, not you.
Okay.
Anyhow, go ahead. We're back.
It is, I don't even remember what I was saying.
Profile based.
It's profile based. You choose 3 of the 5 items in this one.
No, I said what's on your profile.
Oh, yeah. I'm pale. I'm 20. I think I still have on there that I have, like, medium brown hair. I don't really know.
Your hair looks really healthy, too.
Yeah, I know. We cut it.
It looks so good.
Yeah, it looks short. We had to do it. I'm not mad at the person that did it. She did fabulous. But we just had to cut off the scraggly ends.
And mine, I have blonde hair, blue eyes, medium skin, and I lie about my age. I don't put that I'm 42. I say I'm more like early to mid 20s because I get better stuff. So, anywho, go ahead, Hale.
Ooh. I don't really know what else there is. Let's get started.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Oh, great. So my first item is this full-time eyeshadow palette, silky blendable shades created for work and play, and it just says Complex Culture with a C.
Yeah, I totally thought I would be getting one.
Already took this out of the.
It's so pretty.
It's shiny. Wanna sparkle like a wealthy woman's neck.
Look
at the mirror.
Wow, and look at this. This is even nice.
It's like a.
Okay, show everybody.
I'm gonna have to turn up the volume for that, sorry.
Here.
What?
Do this.
Oh yeah. That's mirrored though. Don't get all that glare.
But see, they can at least still kind of see some of the shade.
That kind of reminds me of my Tarte Swamp Queen
eyeshadow
palette. But on the paper, it's like step 1, step 2, step 3, and it shows you like what kind of brushes you should use with it. See? Like blendy brush, packed brush, and flat brush.
That's so cool.
Oh, it says all over shadow, easy crease definer, and precision eyelid. Beautiful.
So my first item, they chose for me, and it too is a palette.
You know, I don't remember what I chose, but my phone's dying, so I'm not gonna do it up.
I like yours better. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. It's the Seraphine Botanicals palette. This is what it looks like, and then, I mean, the shades are really pretty, and it's a great neutral palette. And it is cruelty-free, vegan, and it's no talc, no mineral oil, no parabens, phthalates, no gluten. It's vegan. Oh, we almost had a green juice shot.
I know. I was filming this morning, and I accidentally threw my concealer literally across the room. And I was like, so for those of you who watch my mom's channel, green juice shot, you know the deal.
Oh, Haley.
It would have. This almost slid right out of the box. I would have cried. Oh, this looks cool.
You're next.
The packaging, the inside reminded me of a the inside part of it reminded me of BoxycharmQuiz Cosmetics.
Yeah. What is the air fryer? He's cooking.
Okay.
He has really good timing.
So my next item, I want to say that I chose this. I did not like the choice options this month.
I agree.
So this is the
Trustique.
Needed a second to process. Trustique color and contour cheek stick in the color Brazilian Bronze.
Looks dark.
Yeah, I'm pale, so this might just go in my makeup kit or to Mom's.
I have one. I think I put it in a giveaway. If I still have it, we can switch. Because I wouldn't say mine was too light. Is that too dark for you?
I'm going to say yes.
Okay. I like that. The way it, like, magnetizes.
Blender brush.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that.
Wait, I think we figured that out last time with something else. They always are doing this. I looked really surprised in the camera. It's so tiny and, like, little and cute. It's so compact and soft and smooth. I like that.
So my next item is a pack of 3 of the HAILEY'S sheet masks. I'm not mad about that. I do like these. And real quick, did you hear they're getting rid of the ultimate?
What?
You know how there's 3?
Oh!
They're getting rid of it, and they're bringing like a quarterly box, kind of like the BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe.
More people would purchase it because it's so expensive now. It's $50 a month.
Yeah, it's gonna be $50, but
not
it's like brands like Patrick Ta. I mean, they're literally going with
what?
Patrick Ta. That blush that you were playing with last time you were here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So anywho, some people are already showing it on their account.
Mm-hmm.
I've been checking my account. I'm not getting the option for it yet. Wow, I really tried hard for my hair for you guys.
Oh yeah, mine's greasy.
I worked really hard. I mean, this lump, I mean, that takes talent. Whatever. Not Corona. Bless you.
Sorry, excuse me.
So, anyways, yeah, I'm excited about that. Are you guys showing that on your account yet? Because like I said, I keep going into my app. It's not giving me the option to sign up for that. So, anywho, I got the sheet masks. Your turn.
My next item is the Wonder Beauty Highline Liquid Eyeliner, and I know that I chose this.
I love Wonder
Beauty. It's in Runway, and I don't remember if I could have.
I like your nail polish.
Thank you. Your Hannah did it for me.
Looks good.
It's gel.
I've got Wonder Beauty mascara on today.
I have Ciate London mascara on.
I do. I love the
triple XLs.
Mile High Club, especially when I'm going for like, I don't feel like putting makeup on days. It looks like not harsh, you know? Is it a double-ended?
Okay, I'm gonna say it's black. Yep, black.
That's pretty.
It's like heavy, like feels bougie. Hold it.
Oh yeah.
Looks like
that is.
I just put one little dot. You can't see it, but it's black.
So my next item is the Trustique mascara, Good Vibes mascara. Like I told you guys when I did the unboxing or unbagging, everybody says the actual formula is good.
There's an eyelash curler in it.
Yeah. But everyone says be careful with that because they pinch themselves.
Oh, and I have
really
it too.
bad.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
I've got a couple of these. I think I've put them in giveaways too, but I've never tried the actual pinchy thing. Oh, I will. No. There's no way. I mean, I don't. Oh, that's so cute, but I don't like. I don't like.
That's like hard up here.
Yeah. Hailey. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm like protecting my eyelashes like it's about to rip mine out.
Cover your face, Mom.
I'm just trying to see what you're.
See, that's how it works. That's pretty neat because it's just like a. That's gonna keep me entertained for hours. I can't wait for this.
Okay, so my next item, I chose this. I don't even know what I chose, to be honest. I mean, obviously, heck, I don't know. This is the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. This I'm super excited to try out. Check it out. It's so funky looking.
Oh, I wanted to smell it, but now I don't know.
It smells good. It's rose. Mixed with bloomin' onion smell.
That's from you.
I know. But yeah, I'm excited about this. It's a rose petal facial mask. It's with toning gel. I don't know, but I was excited about it.
My next item and final item. Wait, right? No. Yes. Yes. It's my final
That
item.
came in that bag?
It's a full size.
That's a full size?
What do you think it is?
A mascara?
No.
Oh.
So this is the item Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow. And this is in the color Lunar Drop.
See, I don't know
I chose
everything.
this.
Oh. That's the top girl.
What?
That's her brand.
Oh, I don't know.
Addison Rae.
Oh, I didn't know she had a makeup
Dude,
brand.
you're the one who told me. Years ago when, like 2 months ago when we got this brand.
No, I didn't. Did I? Let's follow back to the video.
No, the computer crashed. We had to delete everything. Yeah, I'm pretty sad.
I like that.
Is it gonna get crunchy? Oh, it's so smooth looking.
I didn't know that this is her brand, but I used, if you watch my video that I did today for this makeup look for some Christmas pajamas in the thumbnail. I used the eyebrow pencil. I really like the eyebrow pencil because remember we have the eyebrow pencil and it has like the little like oval brush on the end of. Your eye just twitched, like what the F are you talking about?
No, it's me being...
You being dehydrated.
I didn't think you saw it twitch.
I did, because you looked at me like... I'm like,
Okay, so my last item is by Seraphine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask, which I don't get mad about these things because I don't drink enough water and it's cold and windy outside today.
You should be drinking more water.
I know, I need to
get on me for not drinking enough water.
I'm working on me. I will work on it.
Hypocrite.
Totally.
I like my bag. I like everything in my bag. Except maybe that chubby contour stick.
I like your bag better than my bag. Like, I'm not mad about mine. My standout product I'm super uber excited for is this mask because I've been all about masking lately. Like, Epsom salt bath mask. Woo! This is cute. It is what it is.
My palette was like...
We still don't have information as far as what items are in our bag as far as that goes, which drives me insane. They've got some holiday gifting thingies, almost a green juice shot. On the back, a bunch of information. I guess they're putting sets together if you guys are interested. It's anywhere from $29.99 to $59.99, and it says it starts November 27th. So, anywho's, that is everything. And yeah, like I said, I think Hailey's bag won. I don't think my bag was bad, but I really liked hers. So anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. Like I said, make sure to check Hailey's channel out. Make sure to check me out on my second channel. And of course, please give your girl a follow over on Instagram
so she can get the swipey up.
And I want to give a big thank you because I got one DM on Instagram where you said that you went ahead and signed up for Instagram just because you enjoy watching our little videos. So thank you. I know. Anyways, guys, I'm rambling. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.